The Universal Sufi Order presents self-spiritual healing of mind, body and soul. This short video will completely transform your life. Non-religious, non-invasive healing that is both completely free and completely practical for our hectic, busy lives. So how does this bring peace, harmony and tranquility to our mind, body and soul? Our minds are always active. We find it difficult to focus. We get stressed, sometimes even depressed. This healing will bring peace and focus and raise our consciousness and freshen up our minds. Then at the end of our hectic day, a very welcomed, peaceful night's sleep. Our body will feel a release, tension, bringing balance. Many benefits will come as our natural immune system will be given a huge boost. Flow of energy circulating in our bodies will fill every single cell, nourishing, healing, empowering our entire system. Our soul, well, this is best experienced and described. So ignite the light within you, the life force. They say seeing is believing, we say feeling is believing. This is a deepened inner peace, so unique and so enlightening. When we have an illness, we seek a doctor. Medicine is prescribed. It enters the bloodstream, curing the affected organ. But there are also incurable diseases. The Creator made different herbs and vegetation that contained a different kind of energy, different kind of shape, similar to the respected organ that it can heal. An example is the apple, which is good for our heart. However, there are many types of disorders for which science hasn't found the related herb to cure it. Good news is, spiritual healing can cure the incurable. The medicine is divine energy and the doctor is the spiritual healer. Each organ possesses a specific kind of energy. When it is lost, the affected organ malfunctions or stops functioning entirely. This is where spiritual healing comes in. Divine energy enters the body, and it is God's light that serves as the medicine, replacing the lost energy. Now, what about harmony, inner peace, and happiness? Why, when we seemingly have all the comforts and luxuries that the world offers, we feel emptiness, low in energy? This is common to hear when we feel unwell. We say we are low in energy today. On good days, we often hear, I'm bursting with energy today. How about feeling that burst of energy every day? How does self-help, free spiritual healing sound? Where our heart becomes a generator of God's light, pumping energy all over our bodies, whilst at the same time enlightening our souls, realizing our spiritual potential and abilities, identifying our spiritual perimeters and elevating our higher self. Now for the practical part, the procedure of starting up that divine generator of energy. God's name entering the heart through the divine, unique techniques of His Divine Eminence Gohar, Shahi and Lord Jesus. And through our delegated healer, the mystical formula mingles with the heartbeats. You are now connected to the powerhouse of divine energy. God's name strikes in the heartbeat. It's similar to striking two stones to create a spark, or rubbing two sticks together to produce heat which can ignite into a flame. This is pure mystical doctrine. God's name striking in the heartbeats produces energy. The enlightened heart is like a combustion engine with a constant flow of energy coming out, healing mind, body, and soul, thus strengthening our connection to the Creator, increasing our self-awareness, and ultimately God-awareness. Contact us through ALRA TV for this mystical formula and technique. You may also seek us out at one of our many events across the globe, or visit one of our centers, or of course through our social media and WhatsApp numbers. Remember, feeling is believing.